Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Robinhood vs Robinhood Legend. Follow along to learn the core differences and practical implications for everyday traders and active investors. I will explain pricing tiers, research tools, order types, and margin features in clear terms you can use. By the end, you should know which account suits casual investing, active trading, or frequent options traders, and how to avoid common pitfalls while keeping costs low. I will walk through feature differences so you can match tools to your trading style and time horizon. Expect a friendly breakdown of data access, charting depth, order execution options, and tax reporting tools. I will highlight how each feature impacts execution, cost, and decision-making for small account holders and more active traders. Stay tuned for practical examples that clarify when Legend's extras are worth the upgrade. Quick recommendation and a brief ad. If you like organized trading and neat lunches, consider leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks fresh and your desk clean. They fit easily in bags, prevent spills, and save time over disposable packaging. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can make more comparisons for you. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Next, I will cover costs and restrictions so you avoid surprises and choose the most cost-effective setup. I will compare subscription fees, margin rates, instant deposit limits, and trading commissions where they apply. I will also explain how account limits and pattern day trading rules can affect your strategy. This will help you estimate real monthly costs and decide whether Legend's features justify its price for your habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.